So I know can say the any about one free Ghana-Akuapem and the other to just say second Hanum say the Kenyans for Edoswan and Kabeding to the National Demonic Congress NDC a bit me about by Mubium not just say and I was a Ghana Hanum Kenyans for endorsement and no and I'm at the National Demonic Congress as about by Mubium and there's more to Joanna Busuya as Sawani and Sao Catcher. The Minumi Babo room near what ends and more to Janaba. Na Eeii, the other dream also. My catcher was so bad, but like you know what share. Now watch the one dream or comment section. Ha, Ghana same TV. Meeting, I'm just so any promise. Now it was so young put in some when you are Ghana-Akuapem, that to ya. You have to dream.
Yeah, Unia, Mekano Caribbean. Dr. Bawumia, Nejuma wa Yama Ghana no ho. Kurasini biara enti ase. That is the truth. We ya tetekwa wuri hu se Bawumia wa bo adwuma ama Ghana. Na emom no Bawumia adwuma wa bo ama Ghana no nyansani bi anim. Obi a wo po mining puntu a wo pese o man no epeja ko nanim no. Wunim adwuma Bawumia wa bo ama Ghana as a vice president. In the history of Ghana politics, vice president biara ni hu a wa bo adwuma edesen Dr. Bawumia. Politicians and Bekano Kwaria, Mahama no no Krabekano Kwaria, Onimuse or no Mahama, any time as a vice president, you know. One yeshi Magana, Bawumia as a vice president, you know. Bawumia Bwe Juma Magana, I see on Nebreso. J.J. Rawlings time, none vice president here, Professor Atamos. Atamos, been pointed at the back, Opa, at Tiase or Ghana, Yebekasi, Atamos as a vice president, and we no Yema Ghana, nothing, zero. Or no Atamos and Ankasani interview more kind. Is it or any no ye leader no or your vice into Uniano Atamos a kind enti or Sregana for South Yamfa to Minimano no numbe dienim or kind. That means any time as a vice president and one year I'm more minor. Atamos any JJ bind the green Atamos by Oba no betusu Mahama as a vice president. Mahama tiase, Mahama point ya de bako pa otumi ye ma Ghana ewo ho ne a Ghana for benefit e bekasi. Mahama ene ye side way ma Ghana as a vice president. Nothing, zero. Sabano eye den ekwei. And okra along the way no Mahama esan to sue our friend den Atamos ifi mo no Mahama be ye leader. Emotusu pakwesi misata as a vice president. Pointi ade bako pa pakwesi misata eyema Ghana. Say Ghana me as a vice president and we na maya mo no nothing, zero. And if you want sana nanado dankwe kufuado ene Bawumia ebai abaim. Dr. Bawumia na de medical drones ebai ninim de wo was side way e wo man medical drones as zip lines no. Later on, maybe share me experience. First time I made the hoons, I made the car drones, no. And nothing I miss Bawumia or vision at the Magana for. Aye Bawumia san we juma. Ghana national ID card, no. Bawumia ninim die and san we juma. Inti na meka say we kurasinia Bawumia ne juma no ye no. Because kurasini bi amfa national ID card no amfa ye Ba Bawumia ni baby opeso odi o man ne ko enti no ma ohye sa national ID card no very important e wo develop countries ne so make no kware na akere wo enti kurasini bi na be ka she mi say me na me de national ID card ba ya kurasini atete kwa bi anim na adekode ye medical drones kurasini mfa ye hwe atete kwa mfa ye hwe because anye dokro be piapia hye ne hwenim anye dokro ne nkenam. Digital addresses Bawumia san we adwuma enne wutumi hye wo dan mu na waye wankasa waye passport e wo phone so na wo de wo address digital address asende wo ho na abeba opum na ye de passport abrel en kan na ye want te kwate bi emu no bitumi kwada passport office be ye 1 week na ne nsan kan ne passport ye enne Bawumia se hye dan mu na wankasa aye Bawumia ni mu de Wu kurasini bi atete kwa saadi we onfa ye hwe onti ye mpo se wutumi hye wo dem na wankasa wa process wo passport na ye de abre wo fie enne Bawumia nim de unkonko sunlight tenten wo ECG vendor bia ho wo hye wo dem na wato ECG wato light e wo phone so Bawumia nim de enne wo hye fie wo hye dem na wa oda Uber wa oda car na baby a location aba ho no ma be fa Bawumia nim de digital addresses, local addresses, ni nyina Bawumia nim de ono ne digitalization na oka ho asem no o start e wa bra oye vice president enti nia wawe okoto bra no o so be ye kura ye ndi na chinye vice president impo no hwe niama Bawumia de gu apon so ma Ghana no be ye president de no ontimi ya na Bawumia nim dia Bawumia kitai no o process ya madachi nchirima enye oil price na ye say abase na na mo ye say abase eno no eye ntete kwa ne nkurase amembu oman no enyi da enko na nimu da meka no kware a kire Bawumia 2006 2007 Bawumia nim die mu na nne yen currency a ye di twa aman foforo adapa na se ye kase wiase currency a emu ye duru ana se currency e wenu anyama Ghana kan no eye Bawumia nim die sa bre nimpo no obi anim Bawumia se Bawumia bi wo baabi ninim diem ena ende currency no ene yedi to ye ho enti Bawumia no wo ho no se bempen aduasa adwene egu ne tim ma oman no kurasini biara enti ase because baabi ono ne de nam no o meye me betete niama so me kofa investors aba ne de na enye ntete kwafo asem enye nkurasefo asem no kware na me ka kire no because kurasini bia mfa digital address nye hwe but eno na ma oman puntu eno na ma oman ni peja eno na betimi aboa oman ni nchirima ebe ereba enye oye abase ena dokran abase me koto wache ye eno ne ye ntete kwa ni nkurase amembu munyi ma adwene fiwo na yemfa ya adwene ma Bawumia no siesi oman ne ma yen
so nsamo a yenua Akuapem ni ede tu dwana chese yakokoti ede aba na chese nsamo de tu dwana de ye nsamo a ye no kra fact e no kra nkwa de tu dwana chese tro makokra enim unim se makatro several times say this country we are living in no we are suffering because of the kind of people we are living in this country with. And those people are the people or maybe the reason why Ghana is ranked as the 8th country with the lowest IQ in the whole of the world, and 3rd or 2nd in Africa, and 1st in the whole of West Africa. Because how on earth can you choose Nkete and sanitary pad over free senior high school? I remember the day na ya to abani na is declare say NDC winning. CNN reporter was say Ghana is the only country poor people reject something that is free. See them can hear. Ghana is the only country poor people reject something that is free. That is a very deep statement. And that's a comment. You are poor. You know you are poor. You know you cannot afford. Someone is helping you and you are there playing bosu bosu. Bosu bosu. We are sick in the head. I've been telling you guys. We don't think straight as Ghanaians. Yesterday I heard someone talking that we are suffering and things are not going on well. Christmas is coming and the market is even slow. Everything is bad. And I was like, I thought you guys said Mahama is the hope. You see, those on social media found fooling themselves. Go to the ground and find out what is happening there. That is when you realize that the country is not going on. When you go to the markets, that is when you realize that the country is suffering. People are suffering. People, are owing a lot of money because wakwati loan edi be yejuma okofa ne money ba yento and in the report bi aba aje kotoku esi je ne form ono omo je ne nyina pro because yento scan ho Christmas is coming on and the 11th November and we have less than 3 weeks to December 2025 sorry now yeah Christmas, the month of Christmas near room and people as that and Kasaba come up China I will find near Madiaba. What is happening? There is no money in the system. NDC is busy injecting money in the forests, over $7.6 billion, whilst the youths are suffering. Nurses are not being paid, teachers are not being paid. Oko increases salary for 2026. Base payment 9%. Whilst the Kufado did 25% for the last quarter of 2025, 23% for the first quarter And you told us that Mahama is the hope. And today you are suffering and you want us to do what about it? You see, sometimes you can't create your own problem, and when you are suffering, you want to blame people for that problem that you created yourself. What do you expect people to do for you whilst you created this problem yourself? Let's be serious in this country for once. Let's try to understand that whatever we vote for is the person who will determine if you are going to survive or not. Look at what is happening in Tanzania. Imagine. Charlie,